Hi and welcome to the latest MorfittSmith video viewing. Today we'll be looking at 59 Cornish Place. We are MorfittSmith and we are dedicated to keeping you safe during COVID-19. Hi, I'm Frankie and we are MorfittSmith. I'm here in Kelham Island at the minute, just north of the city centre. This is a really great location, right on the banks of the River Don, giving you lovely access to nature despite how easily accessible everything is. You are right by the Sheffield Ring Road with very, very easy access to the city centre, making this a really great spot for commuters or anyone wanting to explore the amenities and entertainments that you'll find there. Local highlights include lots of lovely eateries. You'll find Cutlery Works, there's the impressive skate park and flea market and peddlers market. There is so much to do here, but for now, should we go and have a look at Cornish Place? Something that really sets this development apart from other apartment complexes in the city centre is its exceptional on-site facilities. These include allocated residential parking, a beautiful guest house, and even an on-site gym, meaning that you can save yourself an expensive gym membership and not even have to leave your home. Within this development is Cornish Suite, a guest house. This is a really stunning studio space, ideal for hosting family, friends, anyone, so they don't have to book a hotel or take up your living space. As you can see, it's a gorgeous dual aspect with the same heritage features that you find throughout the entire development. Lovely modern furnishings. It even comes with a practical kitchenette, making it really, really convenient for preparing meals, and a wet room. This is the wet room. There is a modern three-piece suite with gorgeous tiling and immaculate decor and more of the same lovely industrial exposed brick. Today we will be looking at 59 Cornish Place. This is the entrance lobby of Cornish Place. 59 Cornish Place is a ground floor apartment giving you great accessibility. Let's take a look. This is quite a unique apartment for the fact it has a separate front hall, meaning that the bedrooms retain a lot of privacy and the living space is nice and quiet. Let's take a look at the living space. So you have a very functional kitchen with lots of countertop space, storage cupboards, space for white goods, and just around the corner you have the living room. Shall we take a look? This is a really impressive space with gorgeous high ceilings. The entire Cornish Place development was originally a Victorian factory complex, so you get these gorgeous vaulted ceiling period features. Two large windows, attractive wooden flooring, and plenty of room for comfy furniture and relaxing in the evenings. Let's take a look at the main bedroom. So bedroom 1 is a really great size. It's a real blank canvas that you can add your own character to. A couple of large windows. You have this unusual alcove on the diagonal, which would be great for storage or maybe some seating. Room for a double bed. There's really plenty of potential for all manner of furniture. Let's take a look at the second bedroom. Just like bedroom 1, this is a really great blank canvas for you to do whatever you want with. It's got neutral carpets and walls, large window, and would make a really, really ideal home office. Should we take a look at the bathroom? You have an airing cupboard with some handy additional storage, and the bathroom just at the end of the hall. So this is the family bathroom. As you can see, there's a functional 3-piece suite with a practical shower head over the bath, making this a very multifunctional space. There's room for storage if you want it, and a large window giving you lots of natural light that's frosted for your privacy. This is 59 Cornish Place. To find out more about this or any of our other listings, go to morfittsmith.co.uk. I'm Frankie, and we are MorfittSmith. If you are interested in buying or renting any of the properties we have available, you can find us online at morfittsmith.co.uk, by email, by phone, or messenger. Stay safe, Sheffield.